Artificial intelligence is transforming our daily lives in incredible ways. First up, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa help manage our schedules and answer questions instantly. Then there's AI in our smartphones, optimizing battery life and enhancing photos with just a tap. Ever used a navigation app? AI analyzes traffic patterns to get you to your destination faster. Streaming services use AI to recommend shows based on your viewing habits, making binge watching even easier. In the kitchen, smart appliances can suggest recipes based on what you have at home. Online shopping is a breeze with AI-driven recommendations that understand your style. Don't forget about health apps that monitor your fitness and suggest workouts tailored to your goals. AI also powers language translation tools, breaking down communication barriers. And let's not overlook smart home security systems that learn your routines to keep you safe. These AI tools are not just convenient, they're essential for navigating the complexities of modern life.